everyone! In this video, we're going to walk through how to add products and categories inside your MyKiosk dashboard. Organizing your catalog properly makes it easier for your sales team to navigate and present products confidently. So, let's get started. From your MyKiosk dashboard, click Products in the left-hand menu. Then click Add New Product. This is where you'll enter your product details. Start by entering your product name. Next, let's look at a few additional product fields that give you more control over how your product appears in the MyKiosk app. First is Product Unit. This field is optional. You can use it for flexible identifiers like mileage or a serial number. If you leave it blank, it simply won't appear in the app. Next is Product Model. Also optional. This is where you can enter a model name or number. And again, if it's left empty, it stays hidden from view. Then we have the product short description. This is a brief 1 or 2 sentence summary that appears directly under the product name inside the app. Think of it as a quick highlight, a short statement that immediately communicates value. Next is Product Video. Here, you can add a video link to enhance your product presentation. Videos are especially effective for demonstrations, feature walkthroughs, or showing the product in action. And finally, the Product Visibility checkbox. When checked, this product will not appear in the app's catalog. However, it will remain available inside your MyKiosk dashboard. This is helpful if you want to temporarily remove a product from view without permanently deleting it. Now, let's talk about images. On the right-hand side of the product page, you'll see the main product image section. This is where you upload your primary product image. This image becomes the featured image and is what displays first inside the MyKiosk app. If you ever want to change the main product image, simply remove the existing image and upload a new one in its place. It's that easy. Now, below the long product description, you'll see the MyKiosk Product Media section. This is where you can add additional gallery images. These images give your sales team more visual content to show customers, like alternate angles, close-ups, or feature highlights. You can drag and drop these images to change the order they appear in the app. Just click, hold, and move them into the position you prefer. This gives you full control over how your product is presented visually. At the very bottom of the product page, include important specification so your sales team and customers have the technical details they need. Then add any pricing information or additional notes that help complete the product profile. Everything you add here will automatically appear inside your MyKiosk app on all connected tablet devices. Take your time here. The more complete your product details are, the better your catalog experience will be. Now look to the right-hand side of the product page, you'll see the Categories section. Here, you can select an existing category, or click Add New Category directly from this screen. This is incredibly convenient. For example, if you're adding a new product and realize you need a category called lawn tractors, you don't need to leave the page. Just create the category instantly, assign it, and continue. Once everything looks good, click Publish, and your product is now live in your MyKiosk catalog. You can also manage categories independently. From the left-hand menu, click the Categories tab. This page is perfect for organizing your overall catalog structure. Here, you can add new categories, create parent and subcategories, edit existing ones, and importantly, see how many products are assigned to each category. The product count is extremely helpful. Why? It gives you a quick overview of how your catalog is structured. You can instantly spot empty categories, or identify areas where you may want to add more products. For larger catalogs, this page becomes a powerful organizational tool. Categories matter because they control how products are grouped and displayed inside the MyKiosk app. A clean category structure means faster navigation, a better customer experience, and a more professional presentation. Think of categories as the framework of your digital showroom. For best practices, here are a few quick tips. 1. Keep category names clear and simple. 2. Avoid creating too many overlapping categories. 3. Use subcategories to organize larger product groups. And finally, review your categories page regularly to monitor product counts. Well, that's it for the MyKiosk products and categories tutorial. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more MyKiosk training content. And as always, MyKiosk helps you sell smarter, anywhere. Thanks for watching.